Okay, so here's my current desk drawer. Here's my desk. Here's the drawer. And it's super, I guess it's not super full, but this is all stuff I never use. Or it's just like sitting here and I just haven't cleaned it out. Like all of this is random copies and there's random business cards down in here. So just random stuff like that I never use, except for storing my bag up here. But the main thing that's bugged me is that if I bring my lunch, I can't actually fit the box in here without stuff getting in the way or getting caught on it. So I'm gonna clean this out, get rid of all the stuff I'm not gonna use, so I can fit more stuff in here that I will actually use. Alright, so after pretty much throwing away a bunch of random junk, here is the drawer. I have a lot more room here now, and these go farther back, but it's just my bag, this box of business cards, and then I have some different signs, so like our values, wastes, and then some of these pricing charts, and then a couple extra signs for the front door if we need them. So that's all stuff we'll actually use, and now everything else we don't is gone. So I have a lot more room. I should definitely be able to fit anything I need to in there.